Hey, today I'm going to do an RV mod, and I'm going to take you along for the ride. What I'm going to do, I'm going to replace this 15,000 BTU air conditioner with an EcoCool air conditioner heat pump from Greer. So, I'm excited for it. I'm going to show you how easy it is to do.
All you gotta do is that. Take free sensor out. Okay. Pull off the clips. And this stays down here.
It's installed. It's a lot more quiet than the one I used to have. I have controls up here. And I also have the ability to control from here. This comes with a mount. So I'll probably mount it right there. All right, so the EcoCool is installed and it's running right now. So I wanted to show you how loud it is, and it's not very loud. This is a great unit. I had one issue, and the issue is that the screws were not long enough, so I had to get some longer screws. Other than that, I chose a free blow unit because I like the plenum. That's the cover here. It's got a thermostat on it, so I didn't have to replace my other thermostat, and I will still use that separately for my furnace. This has a heat pump though, so I highly doubt that I will need much more heat than that. This also has a really handy remote control, and it comes with something if you want to mount it and put it somewhere. Obviously I've not done that yet, so it's really easy to use and operate. These are your filters. They pull out like that. They just get washed and dried like a normal air conditioner filter. And yeah, I hope this was helpful, and leave me any comments or questions in the comments section, and don't forget to subscribe.